Hey everyone, it's Abby with Hatteras Realty, and we are here in Salvo to give you a shot of the beach. And we also have a clip of some of the flooding on Highway 12 for you, and some information about the road and the bridge. Access. NCDOT has assessed the damage to the road and doesn't feel that there are any major issues with the pavement, and they feel confident that it can be repaired by tomorrow. The Bonner Bridge still needs to be inspected before it's open for traffic, and they hope to get that done tomorrow. Currently they do have dive teams in place, but it is still too rough to get any assessment done. We would not expect any reopening of the island until NCDOT does their work, and that could be no earlier than late tomorrow afternoon. Even if we get the all clear from NCDOT that the road is open, please keep in mind that it still could be a phased re-entry. Damaged homes. If you have a reservation for this weekend and your stay would be affected by storm damage to your home, we will contact you as soon as possible to let you know about that. If you haven't heard from us, that's great news for you. Again, our office is closed today, so please keep in mind that we are out assessing houses. We will reopen tomorrow, and you can give us a call. Visit our Facebook page for more information, and also check out DareCountyEM.com or NCDOT NC12's Facebook page for some great updates. Here's a shot of the beach.